Let's talk base layers. Aldi have just come out with a £6.99 copycat version of Rapha's £45 to £50 base layer. So I'm going to be comparing them both in this video and see, is the £6.99 version worth it compared to a £50 version? What are the differences? I'm going to be comparing obviously the price, the materials used in the base layers, where they're manufactured, how they feel on and the texture of the fabrics, and how they actually perform while riding. So they're going to be the main comparisons. However, I need to make it clear there's going to be some slight variations because I can't compare exactly. So the Rapha top that I'm going to be comparing, the base layer, is sleeveless, so it's not going to have sleeves. So I'm sorry, that's what I've got to work with, and that's what I'm going to be comparing. And also the Rapha version is a large, so it's going to be slightly too big for me. And the Aldi versions, I bought two. I bought a women's one in a 10 and a men's in a medium, and I feel like I should wear the men's medium just so that it's a more of a comparable comparison. So let's get into it. Let's have a look at the differences right now. The first thing we need to look at is cost. Cost for these is completely different. Like I said before, Aldi is £6.99 and Rapha's version, the sleeveless version that I'm actually wearing, is £45, and the sleeved version, which is actually the comparable one, is £50. So let's also have a look at what the base layers are made up of fabric-wise. So the Aldi version is made up of 93% polyester, 7% elastane, and the side panel is 87% polyester, 13% elastane. Compare that with Rapha's 94% polyester, 6% elastane. The side panel 86% polyester, 14% elastane. So they are pretty much bang on for even the components of what the base layers are made up of. The Aldi version is made in Cambodia. The Rapha version is made in Lithuania, and now is for the real test, is trying them on, see how they fit, seeing how they feel. Right, so let's actually try these base layers on. So the first one I'm going to try on is the Aldi version, so give me one sec. So remember, this one has got sleeves, so it's going to look slightly different, but it's just kind of the texture I want you to give you an idea about and how it feels. Okay, so it feels very soft. Show you the side panel, I'll show you the back as well so you can see properly. So yeah, I'll show you close up what it kind of looks like. And then the side panels, they feel quite nice, very soft. Yeah. The print looks pretty good on that as well, I'll just show you that close up. So that's the print. I don't really know how else to describe it really. It's just soft, it feels comfortable, it doesn't feel scratchy. Yeah, it feels nice. I'm trying to think what else I would feel. Like sometimes the seams I find can be quite itchy or quite scratchy or quite irritating, but I mean I've only had it on a couple of minutes, but so far it feels nice. It is very soft fabric, very soft. And let me just show you kind of a close up of what it looks like behind. So that's how you can see kind of how thin that is with my hands like coming through it. So that's how thin it is. Now let's get on to the Rapha version. So remember, this is a sleeveless one, so it's not 100% fair comparison, but I'll try and make it as fair as possible. Okay, so this one is going to be slightly bigger, so forgive me for that. Right, let's show you a close-up of this one as well. So you can see it's kind of the same kind of thickness. Show you the print. I think the print is slightly better on this one. It's not as thick. I feel like on the Aldi version that the print on it is a little bit thicker. Side panels on this one, a little bit wider, but I don't know whether that's just because it's a size bigger. So if I'd got a large in that one, maybe the side panels would have been a bit thicker. Equally, feels nice, it feels soft. Let's have a quick look at that. I feel like the ends, like the seams on this one's are finished nicer. Like you've got kind of just a very smooth, soft edge. Whereas on these, it's a little bit thicker. Can you see there? It's a bit slightly thicker on that one, but I mean, would you really tell the difference between a £7 base layer and a £50 one? I'm not sure. I'm just going to feel the fabrics and see if I can tell the difference. I'm feeling both of them, and I don't think you can tell the difference. I mean, no, I genuinely can't tell the difference in softness. I think they feel exactly the same, softness-wise. I've got my Zwift on, I'm going to hop on the bike. I'm going to do half an hour, and I will see you back then to give you some review of how I feel, how it went. First one was the Aldi one. I am sweating quite a bit now. Did a few efforts, 300 watt efforts. So if you want to have actually a look at how hard I worked, you can have a look at my Strava. There's a link in the description box below so you can see my watts for that session. It feels good. I felt like there was no kind of scratching, there's no itching, it all seems quite smooth, there's no tag labels in it, kind of like aggravating me, which I find sometimes is a problem, especially with it being a base layer. You need something that's tight fitting. And I feel like I'm not getting the full benefit because it is quite big on me. I would want a small, but they don't actually do one in the men's, so that is that one. It feels good, it feels soft. I feel like it's wicked some of the sweat away. I don't feel like I'm really sweaty on my back, even though my head is really sweaty. So now on for the Rapha one. I am pretty sweaty. So the Rapha one, I feel like they're very similar, I know I keep saying it, but I can't really feel that much difference, obviously apart from the sleeves. The fabric feels the same, the print on it is very similar. I'm trying to think what I prefer about it. I think potentially the seams on the Rapha one are slightly neater and slightly softer, but overall, I mean, to spend that much extra, I don't think that that is worth the cash. I think they are very, very, very similar. You can see from the components of what they're actually made up of, of what they're actually made up of, that they are very similar. And the fabrics, I feel like they feel the same. So, which one do you prefer? Obviously, let's have a look at the colours. I'd say that the Aldi one is, you can see it's slightly pinker almost. I don't know. Could you tell? And a lot of people aren't going to want a Rapha copy, but I mean, if you just want a base layer just to wear in summer underneath the other stuff, then I mean, £7 is a bargain. So I think that's pretty much it. And let me know if you've tried the Aldi version or if you've tried the Rapha version. Let me know your thoughts on either, which one you would prefer to buy. And yeah, leave them in the comments below and I will see you next video. Also, if you found this video useful, then give it a like and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos. I post generally 3 or 4 times a week, so if you press the little bell icon, you'll get notified when I upload a video. So yeah, that's it for today and I'll see you next video.